So welcome to our new video series. Today we have a lot of items. We'll show you each item separately, and we have several innovative items in our inventory right now. As you can see, out of this first item we are going to see is the digital thermometer, and this has some controls and on-off switch and a centigrade and Fahrenheit selection switch also. So this is a very innovative product, and this is priced at 250 rupees only. So you can purchase it from the market at 250 rupees only. So let us look at the box. So we have this picture of this digital thermometer. On the side we have the temperature range, -50 to +80. It can measure from -50 to +80. It's wonderful. Accuracy range, it has +2.5 degree accuracy range. So, and this is what concerns me, because, and also we have +1 degree Celsius from -20 to +80, which means that your temperature can have an error of 1 degree if you measure it from -20 to +80. So this you have to keep in mind. So let's open the box. So first we find the suction tip, which is there, very handy. So there we have the device. It's in on state. Let's turn it off, and we have some manuals and nothing else. So everything is written in Chinese. Everything is written in Chinese. This is the instruction what you can do. And let's open this up. So this is the device, and then this is open. So the end cap is open. You can fix this end cap. So this is the battery compartment. So the battery which goes into it is LR44, this lithium cell. Okay. So we'll put the case back, and the model number is ST1A, and this is the stand. So we'll explore this later. So first we have a thin film of coating above this meter, and then we have on-off switch and centigrade Fahrenheit selection. So we'll just open this probe. This is the thermocouple, and this is the unit which you put inside where you want to measure the temperature. First we open this. So I have opened this up. This is the cable, very long cable. I think it's about, so the cable is about 1 meter cable. You will get this device. So the thermocouple, as I mentioned, is the unit. So first let's check the unit. So this is the on-off switch. I'll press on now. So this is showing the current temperature. You can see 33.6. What happens if I close it? Whether it will increase or not, we'll see. Temperature is increasing as I'm holding it here. It's gradually increasing, so it means it's working. And let's check out this is the selector switch for centigrade to Fahrenheit. So we'll put in Fahrenheit. So this is the temperature in Fahrenheit, 96.3. It's gradually increasing because I'm holding it within my palm. Okay. So let's measure now the temperature of water. Let's put it in Celsius at 35.9, and then this is our system, cooling system. Here we put the probe. Immerse this probe in here. We'll just submerge it in water. Let's see the temperature. It has dropped 30.9. Let's see the final temperature. It requires some time to get calibrated, to get into the correct position. So you have to give it about 1 minute to settle, to be stable. And I think if a backlight could have been given, then that would have been very good. This unit requires a backlight, so this has no backlight. But if there would have been a backlight switch, then you can even see the temperature in dark. So that would have been good. But still, considering the price of 250, it's okay. You see the temperature 28.7. So we'll put it here and see. So it also has a stand. Let's see. So the stand. So place it here. And we can close this. Observe. Here we have our thermometer, which we showed you, and the ambient temperature is about 32.1. So we'll test it with this deep freezer and see how is the performance. Put in the stand. Close the freezer. Immediately you can see that temperature, substantial temperature drop to 13.3 degrees Celsius. This will again reduce to minus. This will go below 0. The temperature goes down to 12.6. It's covered with ice. Very cold. Let's see the temperature rise. It's already risen to 86.9. Now we'll do the reverse. Now we'll take some boiling water and check if the temperature is going to 100. We'll see.